Hi friends, I hope you're all doing well and settled into the new year. Yes, today's video is about journaling for 2021 and it's also a vision board. I'm making this video because it is a video I've wanted to make for a while, but for some reason I'm just getting around to it now. I slipped in a few scenic moments from last year. It's nice to remember, even though it was quite an unusual year, it's nice to remember the nice moments of the year anyway. So we're going to be doing some journaling and I'm going to show you mine. So I started by picking a journal and writing a quote in it from Golda Meir. Trust yourself. Create the kind of self that you will be happy to live with all your life. Make the most of yourself by fanning the tiny inner sparks of possibility into flames of achievement. And I feel like after last year that it's important that we try to flame the possibilities that we have in our world at the moment and that we can create into the year to come. Once I'd found a nice quote, I did some painting and wrote some notes on pages and painted in pages and stuff down. It's just something to kind of like crack open the sketchbook and almost like break the kind of being worried about trying to do something that looks good or nice, that it should be quite a free space to be creative and to be expressive. Now I have this one to do as like a visual journal that I will make art in and work on, just work on intuitive art and whatever art that I want to in more of a journal style. I'm going to start with creating a vision board in that sketchbook, and I've already done some bits in there, but for today we're creating a vision board. As well as that, I'm showing you now my journal that I write in. So this is a journal by Healing Creations, and it really is a very special journal because it allows me to kind of read about healing art, mandalas, and different subjects around spiritual art that's interesting for me. You can see I'm reading there about the history of mandalas and chakras and all kinds of things, and that's a great start for my journal since I'm deepening my art practice in this way. It's a journal that's kind of where it gives you space to meditate, space to write, space to colour, and it has quotes and all kinds of things on it. And it's one of the reasons that I chose to use it, because it kind of has a lot of quotes and things that were interesting for me to read. The quote you heard me say at the start of this video is the one that you're seeing on that page, and also this space for journaling and for colouring mandalas and learning more about mandalas, and just like again continuing that art practice and development, which is key to the journal and practice I want to have this year. And there's mandalas to meditate on, and this journal is very helpful for me in terms of growth. And when you're choosing your journals, to pick one that you find nourishing and development, then enables your development as well. So the next quote we have is, "No one can make you feel inferior without your consent," by Eleanor Roosevelt. So it's all those kind of wonderful quotes that inspire and feed our souls. So I've been writing in that, and you can see that I've been writing in it for a little while, and it's helpful for me to kind of learn and grow throughout this year. And now we're going to get on with the vision board I promised at the start of the video. So as usual, I started by picking images, as we've done in the past with the vision boards we've done on this channel. So we pick all the nice images we like and things that call to us, that things we might want to see in our future. So you can see me, I've picked lots of things, yoga and travel and good weather, and yes, there's no sign of travel for some time, of course, but that doesn't mean that you can't put it in your vision board. And then once I'd kind of had a selection of images, I painted in my background, and that's what you can see me doing here. And again, when you approach this, to take it in a very intuitive way, whatever colour or whatever shapes or whatever comes to your heart or to your mind, you just do that. There's really no correct way, no wrong way, no right way. It's just whatever calls to you, and that's right for you. So once your background is painted and dry, I started to play around with the images I want to put in it, and I definitely knew I didn't want to overcomplicate it and to keep it quite simple. And I played around for a good while with this one to get the images, and eventually I got there, and I'm just putting them down, sticking them down with some PVA and water, and the PVA just waters down. The water just watered down the PVA because the PVA can be quite thick. So you just put a layer of that down and stick down your images. This isn't necessarily like it's a piece of artwork, but at the same time, it is creative, and it is kind of creating things that you want to see in your world and your life. So it is kind of very important to kind of be engaged in the task at the same time. Well, I have picked here a picture of Japan and a picture of the beach. Well, Japan's a place I've always wanted to go to, and I love yoga, so it's always an opportunity to do yoga somewhere quiet and make art somewhere quiet. It's always really, really, really wonderful. And hopefully this year coming, we'll get the opportunity. And the bridge there shows me walking towards, my dreams in life, my dreams of being an artist and making art that people will enjoy and making art that I'm happy with. So once I had my images down and the PVA glue was dry, I wanted to print in some letters. So I stuck down, one of my goals is to be an artist full-time, or I guess I kind of am part-time now, but an artist. I'd love to earn my living from my art and do it in a serious way, but creating this vision board reminds me of things that are important in my life, and I'd love to know in the comments what kind of goals or possibilities you create, in the possibility of travel, abundance, compassion for yourself and others, success, love. I've just put down words that speak to me, and that's what this exercise is about, is just creating a simple page that is that speaks to you. And hi again. How did you get on? How did you find the vision boards? I'd love to see in the comments what you'd like to happen or create for yourself in 2021. It's a great opportunity to be creative and think about the things you want to carry on with in life after this lengthy lockdown. Anyway, I know we're still in the middle of a lockdown, yes, but the thing is, it's going to be over. It will pass at some point. So when that comes, what would we like to do and create? So I'd love to see in the comments what you were planning for yourself post lockdown. That's all for today. Thank you guys for tuning in, and as always, I really would massively appreciate likes, comments, and definitely subscribers. Thanks again. Have a really great day, and I will see you again soon. Next time I won't leave it so long. Bye for now, and as always, happy being creative. Bye.